একটা অন্য ব্লুয়ের একটা ফ্লেভার টাইপের কিরকম লাইক সুপিরিয়ারেও ব্লু ছিল বাট একটু অন্য ছিল এটা একটু কোনটা
ব্ল্যাক হারবার
Right now we're approaching George Williams College of Aurora University. They offer many different education and academic and venture education programs. They also have an annual Music by the Lake series where they invite about 30,000 guests each summer to concerts in an outdoor-like setting. Last year they had the Beach Boys with John Stamos on the drums here.
আগের পুরোটা এখানেই বসে যেতাম
Off to the right here is the Norman B. Bar Camp, followed by the Holiday Home Camp. The Holiday Home Camp is the nation's oldest and longest running children's camp. It is still almost entirely funded by Lake Geneva residents. Right now we're approaching Eline Point. This used to be the Edward G. Eline Estate, known as Forest Glen. Started as Schlitz Brewing Company Edward G. Eline, he was very instrumental in the brewing operation in Chicago, or in Milwaukee, excuse me. His home here is called Villa Palatina. Right now we're entering into the village of Fontana. This is the halfway point of the journey. The word Fontana comes from the word meaning fountain or spring, quite appropriate since most of the underground springs that feed this lake are located at this end of the lake. Fontana is also home to many great restaurants like Chuck's, Gordy's, and behind the trees there you're going to see a glimpse of the large A-frame building. That is the Abbey Resort. The Abbey has several hundred guest rooms, condos, convention facilities, spa, swimming pool, gift shop, and a boat marina that can accommodate over 500 boats.
Give her a